Welcome to another. Hello guys, welcome to another episode of How To Wednesday, and today we take a look at the Saramonic UWMIC 15. My name is Mary and with me is Yasin. As usual, before we start, let's unbox it. So here is our unit. We're just going to unbox it. Yeah. So we have manuals, 2 of them from Saramonic for the units. This is how it looks in the inside. We have, this is our receiver, and our transmitter. You see? Place this aside. We have a lavalier microphone. We have a shoe mount. We have a belt clip and 2 audio cables, an XLR and a jack. So that's all that was in the box. Now, Yasin, the stage is yours. Kindly take us through the units.
Okay, now we are going to power the units on and show you how they connect.
Yeah.
So you're going to first start with the transmitter. It's powered by 2 AA batteries, which output up to 2.4 volts of power. So I'm going to remove these used AA batteries and place new ones. Before placing the batteries, you should know the direction of the connectivity, and it's written inside the battery cap or place right here. So you just slide them in. Then you press the power button over here. Here we have the menu button. On top we have a mic port, and we have the antenna for connectivity. So for this is the transmitter. So we are going to connect the lavalier mic on top of it, and on the receiver we're going to connect the XLR to jack cable, so that the XLR part can be input into the camera for the camera to receive the audio feed. So on top here we have a headphone port and the port which you connect the XLR cable, and you just fasten it so that it can fit firmly, so that you cannot remove. Now we're going to turn on the transmitter and receiver. Just hold the power buttons for some seconds, then it will just turn light up. As you can see, I don't know if the camera can pick the feeds. On the LCD screens, we have the channel number or frequency which they match, so that indicates that the 2 devices have paired, so it's ready for use at the moment.
So yes guys, that's all we had for the Saramonic UWMIC 15. Now, if you're wondering who can use or where it can be used, you can use it for interviews, broadcast TV, news gathering, field recording, vlogging, and so much more. Now, if you need to purchase this product or any other product from us, remember you can visit our website at www.highwayav.co.ke.
You can also visit our shop at South B Trans Towers, just behind Kenya Institute of Mass Communication.
Yeah, so until next time with another product, bye.